Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Miele washing machine. And to do it is really simple. What you need to do is you need to unplug it for about, like, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. And if you can unplug it, then you're just gonna turn it off through the circuit breaker and try it out. So that's one of the ways. And also what you can try to do is that when you're gonna have it turn it off and you're gonna like plug it in, you can turn it on, then you can just like open and close this part here like 6 times, 9 times, 12 times. I was researching on how you can actually do this, and this is the only thing that I found regards the resetting the Miele washing machine. Just plug it out and then leave it for 10 minutes, and then what you want to do when you're gonna plug it back in, turn it on and try to close it 6 times, 9 times, 12 times. Maybe it's going to work out, maybe not. I was trying to research and this is the only thing that I found, so I hope it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.